One of the biggest reasons for excess fat is colonic toxins. Introduce a health science method that allows you to remove harmful toxins from the body in just 1 week. It will make you healthier and slimmer without worrying about diseases and diseases. Day 1, Colon Detox Plan. Start with sea salt solution. Salt water purges all the bacteria, mucoidal plaque and bacteria from your colon. The process of cleaning your colon with sea salt is also called saltwater flush. This is something you should begin your routine with. Step 1. Mix 2 tablespoons of unrefined sea salt, do not use common salt, with 1 quart lukewarm water. Step 2. Drink this solution firstly in the morning. If you do not like the taste, you can buffer it up with some fresh lime or lemon juice. Step 3. After you drink the saltwater solution, be prepared for the next hour. You might feel a headache, nausea and even queasy, because saltwater removes all the toxins and then carries them through your intestines. Since this process happens quickly, you will start to visit the washroom more frequently. While some may evacuate all the salt water just within 1 to 2 hours, some can take few hours. For breakfast. Option 1. 1 cup strawberries plus 1 apple plus 1 cup herbal tea plus 1 tablespoon almonds, 2 to 3 hours soaked in water. Option 2. 1 glass of fresh vegetable juice plus 1 avocado plus half a cup raspberries. Option 3. 1 plate of fruit or vegetable salad mixed with 1 tablespoon flax seeds or flaxseed powder plus 1 glass of freshly prepared vegetable or fruit juice. Make sure to drink lots of water throughout the day. Option 1. Half a cup quinoa plus half a cup of steamed peppers and asparagus. Option 2. 1 cup blueberries plus half a cup of baby carrots plus 1 glass of fruit juice. Option 3. 1 bowl of steamed vegetables plus 1 cup of pureed vegetable soup. Make sure to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. Option 1. 1 cup of spinach soup garnished with a few garlic pieces plus 1 bowl of broccoli sprouts. Option 2. 1 small banana plus half a cup raspberries plus 1 apple. Whenever you are hungry, in between meals, have this snack. Option 1. Half cup baby carrots plus half cup broccoli sprouts. Option 2. Half cup raspberries plus 1 apple. Day 2, Colon Detox Plan. For breakfast. Option 1. Start with a fresh natural colon cleansing juice, 1 handful of fresh spinach, 1 handful of parsley, 1 cucumber, neatly peeled, 1 celery stalk and half fresh lemon, neatly peeled, plus eat 1 fruit, either apple or a pear. Option 2. Have a glass of fresh apple juice, as it flushes out all the toxins, encourages bowel movements and improves your overall digestive system plus 1 plate of green salad. Make sure to drink lots of water throughout the day. Option 1. Have 1 cup kale plus half cup vegetable soup plus 4 celery stalks plus 1 cucumber plus half green apple plus 1 cup pineapple plus half squeezed lemon. Option 2. Have 1 bowl of fresh green salad, avoid toppings, plus 1 bowl of steamed vegetables plus half cup steamed asparagus. Option 3. Have 1 green apple plus 1 cup of raspberries plus 1 glass of fresh carrot juice, no sugar or sweeteners, plus 1 cup of chopped green leafy vegetables. Option 1. Have 1½ cups of coconut water plus 1 pear plus 1 cup raspberries plus 1 cup kale plus 1 tablespoon flaxseed. Option 2. Have 1/4 avocado plus ½ cup mango, if unavailable, replace with pineapple, plus 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper plus 1 cup blueberries plus ½ kiwi. Whenever you are hungry, in between meals, have this snack. Option 1. 1 glass of fresh lemon juice, no sugar, plus 1 cup fresh cherries. Option 2. 1 medium-sized cucumber, eat it raw, plus 1 glass of fresh juice. Day 3, Detox Plan. For breakfast. Option 1. Start your third day of your diet with a healthy morning smoothie. To do this, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Prepare a glass of fresh lemon juice. Step 2. Grate ginger root, about 2 inches, and 2 garlic cloves. Mix these two into the prepared lemon juice. Ginger enhances blood circulation while garlic helps in detoxification. Step 3. Add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed oil, cold pressed. Step 4. Add some cayenne pepper. It purges all the toxins out. Step 5. Blend everything in a mixer until it becomes a smoothie. Step 6. Pour it in a glass, mix well and drink it. Eat a fresh fruit, either an avocado or an apple. Option 2. Have 1 cup raspberries plus 1 pear plus 1 cup pineapple plus 1 teaspoon flax seeds. Make sure to drink plenty of natural fluids throughout the day. Option 1. Have a spinach-based salad. Spinach is known to have an antibacterial compound that helps in fighting off the bad bacteria lining your colon and intestine plus 1 cup pineapple plus ½ cup grilled peppers plus ½ cup quinoa. Option 2. Have 1 cup of healthy vegetable soup plus ½ avocado plus 1 orange plus 3 celery. Option 1. Aloe vera is a great natural colon cleanse. Its medicinal properties not only improve your overall colon health but also treat other issues like skin infections, constipation, diarrhea, headaches and gastric pain. So, for dinner, make sure to drink this juice. Step 1. Cut an aloe vera leaf and take out its gel. Step 2. Add some lemon juice into it. Step 3. Put the mixture into a blender and blend it until it turns it to a smoothie. Step 4. Drink the juice. After 30 minutes, have a plate of green salad or hot vegetable soup. Option 2. Have 1 banana plus 1 cup raspberries plus 1 tablespoon flaxseed plus ½ cup steamed broccoli. Whenever you are hungry, in between meals, have this snack. Option 1. Have 1 cup herbal tea plus ½ cup steamed peas. Option 2. Have 1 apple plus ½ cup green beans.
If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.